Hi there. In this lecture, I am going to talk about the pedals on your harp. Now, if you have what's called a pedal harp, obviously it is called this because your harp has pedals, okay? And these pedals are located on the bottom of the harp, right where your feet are. Now, I've written out a diagram of the relationship of the pedals to the strings, okay? So these here, if you can use your imagination, it's not a perfect replica, but these are the pedals on the right of your harp, and then these are the three on the left of your harp, okay? Now, I've also written out the letters, and this is the notes that each pedal controls, okay? So how I remembered them was I started over here with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Again, you might want to copy this or refer to this video until you just really, get familiar with which pedal controls each note, okay? So the good thing about a pedal harp, what makes it very easy to do, pieces with a lot of accidentals, that's what sharps and flats are called, and to play in a lot of different keys, it's very easy because you can press this one pedal and it literally will control every E on the harp. So as you know, the harp has different octaves. So there's several E notes on the harp. Some are lower, some are higher. But when you press this pedal downwards, when you press the pedal downwards, it makes the note sharp because it tightens the string. So whenever you press the pedal E down, it's going to change all of those E strings. And if you have a pedal harp, what you can do is to just experiment and go ahead and press this E string down and watch how these little gadgets up here sort of shift, and you can see how it tightens every single E string on the harp. So it's pretty amazing. The mechanics on this harp are very, very amazing, I think. For this reason, pedal harps are significantly more expensive than pedal harp or lever harps, okay? Because the mechanics are more complex. So why I want you to know these relationships, okay, why I want you to know that B controls every B string and C is because I want to show you how to play in different keys with the pedal harp, okay? And it's actually very easy to do because all you have to do is remember to just press one pedal down or lift it up to control every note, okay? So, refer back to this if you're not sure of which note each pedal refers to, okay? And one more thing I want to add is that if you will notice, there are three levels that each pedal can be in. It can be in the upper level, the middle level, or the bottom level. And you can see this fairly easily, how you just, if you want to get the pedal lower, you just sort of press it down and ease it over and press it down again. If you want to put it in the upwards position, you pull it up, pull it over. It is very easy to figure this out, that there's three positions, okay? There's the upper position, upper. So when any of these notes are, these pedals are in the upper position, that is going to make them flat, okay? The middle position, flat. Just put this a little closer. Upper equals flat, okay? The middle position, and again, you might want to write this down or just keep referring back to this lecture, but the middle position is neutral, which all that means is that it's neither flat nor sharp. It's going to be right in the middle. If you have a tuner, which I highly recommend, you can easily check this to see that that is the case. So when the pedals say F is in the middle position, you can go to the F strings and make sure that that corresponds to the middle, the neutral tuning, okay? Meaning that you just see the letter F. You don't see F, you don't see F flat, F sharp, anything like that. In the lower position, when the pedals are in the lower position, that will make those notes sharp. Okay, that will tighten them. All right, so this is very important. Okay, especially which in the coming lectures I'm going to explain key changes. This is very important to know, okay? And this is just a matter of memorization, okay? You want to memorize which note these each control. You want to know their positions: uppers, flat, middles, neutral, and lower sharp. Okay, so that's all I'm going to go into today as far as the relationship to the pedals. In the next lectures, I am going to explain how to use these pedals to tune your harp to different keys. Okay? All right, so I will see you then. Bye.